There was a saint in Delhi, in Kotla. It's a small house. His Baba used to be there, very well built. He was not in spiritual path at all. He was in army. So in 1971 Pakistan war, he had a bullet shot on his neck and he got enlightened. कुछ नहीं जानते. He 7th class pass. After the bullet shot, he suddenly started speaking all his knowledge. 5 elements, Panchatatvas, and all that we say. See how spontaneously came to him. Atma, Paramatma. You never heard anything of anything. Panchatatvas, 5 elements, and then the mind, buddhi, ahankara. He used to say one thing. पानी बहे क्यों नहीं, सत्संग चले क्यों नहीं, किताब फेरे क्यों नहीं. किताब को फेरते नहीं हो तो भूल जाते हो. सत्संग चलते रहना चाहिए. माने एक ही सत्संग ग्रुप हमेशा एक ही सत्संगी उसी लोगों में बैठे रहते तो राग द्वेष होता रहता है. तो इसीलिए एक दोस्त के साथ इस तरह से नहीं बनना चाहिए ताकि तुम सड़ न जाओ. पानी एक जगह रुक जाता हो तो सड़ जाता ना. पानी बहता रहे तो ठीक है. ऐसे सत्संग चलता रहना चाहिए. माने what he used to say, the satsang is should not get entangled. Sit with the same people all the time, talk to the same people, be with the same people. So satsang should keep moving. New people every time. Water should keep flowing. Because if you are sitting with the same people all the time, 24 hours and go on, then you have anger towards them or either craving and aversion, all these things develop in you. So he should advise the satsang should keep moving, water should keep moving, and books you should keep turning the pages. तो किताब फेरे क्यों नहीं. आज मुझे उनकी याद आई सत्संग में. So I have already spoken about Bhakti Sutra so many times. I said, we have heard and we have kept it aside. We are not dwelling on it. You heard Ashtavakra and then that is it. You have kept it aside. Yoga Sutra you heard and you think you know it, you keep it aside. I think, फेरे क्यों नहीं, ये मेरे मन में आया था. Why did we not review it? So I thought from today, before Silver Jubilee, we will again review the Bhakti Sutras. I myself have to do. So I will start, then you will all start. 84 Sutras. So just remember the Sutra, either by English or in Sanskrit. Athato Bhaktim Vyakyasama. Now let us see what is devotion. Satvasmin Parama Prema Rupa. That is of the nature of supreme love. Devotion is the nature of supreme love. Amrita Swarupacha, it is immortal, that love never dies. Like these sutras, if we bring it to our mind a few times, it changes the consciousness. Did you notice when we started reading Bhagavad Gita, there was a difference? How many of you noticed? When we started chanting Bhagavad Gita here, I think it's good you should read Bhagavad Gita also with the meaning. And chanting. The sutras are very simple. Sa Tvasmin Parama Prema Rupa. Amrita Swarupacha. And having attained that, Hem Labdva Puman Siddho Bhavati, become perfect, attaining the love. Siddho Bhavati, Tripto Bhavati, Amrito Bhavati, something like that. Yam Labdva Puman Na Kinchid Vanchati, having attained which there is nothing, no desire, craving. Na shochati, not grief, no grief. Na ramate, you don't get lost. No utsahi bhavati, he doesn't get excited.